Oh, shoot. Dang it, I snoozed it immediately, bro. This guy activated, but
The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Marion County in northern Florida, south central Putnam County in northeastern Florida until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Delancey, or 10 miles west of Pomona Park, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Marion and south central Putnam counties, which includes Willaca. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The short